Hi, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and I'm super excited to be celebrating with Carrie on her 5,000 subscriber milestone, and I'm thrilled to be celebrating with all of you. The card I'm casing is Carrie's Rainbow Gnomes Slimline card. I think this card is so cute, and I got so inspired that I am going to be making rainbow foxes. So she used the Not Too Shabby Fall Gnome stamp set, but I'm going to be using the Not Too Shabby Winter Friends stamp set. Right now I'm just adding some shine to the fox's noses with a white pencil. You can see them all colored up here, but we're going to color up one together. So I'm going to be using my Zig Clean Color Real Brush markers just like Carrie did, and it's been a while since I got these out. So thank you, Carrie, for inspiring me to get these markers out. I really do love how these images turned out. So I'm using a water brush, but I don't have any water in the brush. I like moving the color with just like a damp brush. So there is water on the bristles, but not inside the brush. I'm using Bristol Smooth paper. These markers work amazing on this paper. You have no trouble moving the color around. So I'm finishing up the last fox here with the blue. And for the rim of the hat, I wanted it to look fuzzy, so I just took some grays and I just dotted on the gray color and then smoothed it all out with the water brush. I didn't really have a fox color in my collection, so I took two different browns, a dark brown and a medium brown, and then I mixed it with orange. And then I took the water brush and kind of just mixed all the colors together, and I think that worked out pretty good. Since these brushes have such a fine tip, I really didn't have a problem going out of the lines, which I really like about these markers. And I am just going to finish up this fox, add a little bit of the water brush, mixed all those colors together, and now we can move on to creating our background. I'm going to shade my hillside here with some Wilted Violet Distress inks just to give the hill some definition. And then I'm going to take my paintbrush and add some splatters to the hill. I know Carrie loves her splatters, so I thought I'd do the same here on my card today. So to create the background, I'm also using Distress inks. I'm using Wilted Violet and Seedless Preserves. I'm going to come in with Mermaid Lagoon at the end and just blend all of that together. Carrie used the mushrooms as an accent on her card, but I'm going to use the two trees that come from Winter Sentiments stamp set from Not Too Shabby. So there's two trees in that set. They are solid stamps. So I decided to ink up with the Wilted Violet for a tone-on-tone look. I think this turned out really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp out the rest of my trees here, and then we'll add some splatters to the background. For the splatters, I'm going to use gouache paint in white. I'm going to mix that with some Lindy Stamp Gang shimmer spray, so it's got some shimmer in it, and this color it's like a pink color, but it's very white. So that's going to go perfect with the background. So I'm just going to tap on my brush to get those splatters. And then I decided that wasn't going fast enough, so I took my acrylic block and I just started going nuts, and I got a big blob onto my snowbank. But not to worry, I just took my paintbrush and kind of like painted on some more snow on the snowbank. I think that turned out just fine. I'm going to choose the Hello Winter sentiment for this card. I thought it went perfect with the background. I just cut the sentiment out with my scissors. That way it'll fit on this card. There's not much room for a sentiment, but I found a little spot in the corner there. So I thought that turned out really cute. I did outline the sentiment with a black memento marker just to frame in the sentiment. I think that looks really cute. So I have all my foxes in rainbow order. I think that is such a cute idea. Thank you so much, Carrie, for inspiring me to create this card. I just love it. Now to finish up this card, I had to add the gems, just like Carrie did on her Rainbow Gnomes card. Isn't that cute? Now I can't forget to add a little bit of Spectrum Noir glitter pen. Gotta add a little bit more sparkle, right? So thank you so much, Carrie, for having me on your show. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of the show.